Hi students, today we are going to discuss about a linear equation in one variable topic, exercise 2.5 exercise. They asking find the solve the values. Values are finding. First question is solve x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equal x by 3 plus 1 by 4 is the question. They are asking solve and find out the value for the x. How to find out the answer? First, already we learned all a variable term, keep it on the one side and constant term send to the opposite side. In this question here, see, equal is the equal, this side represent left hand side, equal this side represent as a right hand side. Here variable term means first variable term is x by 2, then a right side which is our variable term x by 3 is the variable term, is that term bring to left side, from right side to left side, that transpose take. Transpose means symbols are changing, positive term change goes to opposite side, it change as a negative, so minus x by 3, then equal, put equal, then constant terms all are right on the right side. Already right side which is a constant term 1 by 4. Constant term means without variable term we call it as a constant term. Here from left side which is the constant term, minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 transpose taken there, minus goes to opposite side comes to be plus 1 by 5. Then here both left hand side also fractional number, right hand side also be a fractional number. That's why LCM take. How to do the LCM? Left side LCM, how to do? 3 cross multiply with the x, 2 cross multiply with this x. Same way right side 4 cross multiply with 1, 5 cross multiply with this one. Cross multiply 3 into x become 3x, minus 2 into x become 2x. Then denominator into denominator, 2 3s are 6, equal right side part 5 is cross multiply with 1, so 5 into 1 become 5, plus 4 into 1 become 4, by denominator part multiply, 4 5s are how much? 20. Again calculation, numerator part same variable term, so that's why coefficients take. Here coefficient 3, here coefficient minus 2, so 3 minus 2 become how much? 1x. 1 means not 1 to put 1, just the x by denominator 6, right? It is understood. Here numerator part of x coefficient is 1 and the denominator part is 6. So equal right side part, numerator part at 5 plus 4 comes to be how much? 9 by 20. What is our aim? Our aim is to find out the x variable value. That x variable value, how to find out? This 6, denominator 6 send it to right side, but then we get the x. That's why denominator goes to opposite side, it goes to where? Right side numerator part. Therefore x is equal to right side already 9 by 20 is there, then denominator goes to opposite side means it goes to the numerator of the right side. So x value become how cancellation possible? Cancelled. 6 and 20, 2 table used to cancel, 2 3s are 6, 2 into 10 comes to be 20. Then again 9 and 10 straightly cancellation not possible, crossly 3 and 10 cancellation not possible, therefore our x value become how much? And numerator 9 and 3 are there, they are multiplied, 9 3s are how much? 27 by 10, denominator 10 is this is our x value. I hope you can understand how to solve fractional numbers. Take LCM and find out the variable value. Which variable here given? X variable, that variable value find out. This is the meaning. Then next second question. Second question also one variable is there. Find out the value for that variable. Question is solve n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 2 5n by 6 equal 21. This is our question. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equal 21. In this way they given that question. So how to solve this sum also? Here also take LCM. So how to take LCM? Denominators, which are the numbers? 2, 4, 6, all are composite numbers. That's why here 4 and 6 are composite numbers, so that's why we want to draw the L-shaped box and divide and find out the LCM. Which table all are even numbers, that's why prime number 2 is possible to divide. 2 table to 1 time, 2 table 4 when we get 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Again divide and divide, finally all the number we want to become 1 as answer. So what is the LCM here? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are how much? 12 is the LCM. So next process, two different methods we learned. Next what we want to do, each fraction take a multiply with LCM 12. First fraction is n by 2, multiply with LCM 12. Then second fraction is minus 3 by n, 3n by 4, that also multiply with LCM 12, plus 5n by 6, multiply with LCM 12 whole divided by denominator part, right which number, whole divided with the LCM 12. Right side which number is there? 21 is there. Don't forget about the right side part of the equality symbol is 21 is there. Then 2 and 12 cancel into how many times? 2 and 12 cancel into how much? 2 6 are 12. So cancel and write. 4 and 12 cancel. 4 table when we get 4 3s are 12. 6 table when we get 6 2s are 12. Cancel. 6 into n become how much? 6n minus 3n into 3. This is our second term. So 3 and 3 multiply, 3 3s are 9n plus, this is our third term. So numbers are the numbers, first we multiply, 5 2s are how much? 10n, whole divided by denominator 12 is equal to right side which number? 21 is there. Again numerator part all are variable terms, like terms, that's why coefficient take and calculation do. Which are the positive numbers? 6 and 10 are positive numbers. So 6 plus 10 comes to be 16. So adding that to positive term and subtracted with the negative, which is a negative number, minus 9n is our negative number. The next process, denominator 12 send it to right side, denominator goes to opposite side, where it coming? It goes to numerator. So numerator which number is there in right side? 21 is there. So 12 also goes to numerator and multiplied with the right side. And right side number is 21 and multiplied the left side denominator. Then calculation doing how much? 16 minus 9 comes to be how much? 7n. 7n is equal to multiply 21 into 12 comes to be how much? Here 1 and 2, then 2 5 252. 252 is our here answer. Then we want n value, not 7n, we want n value. N value how to get? 252 is cancelled with numerator number goes to coefficient of n goes to right side, where it coming? It comes to the denominator. Then 252 is divided with 7. What is the meaning? 252 is divided with 7. Division doing it how much? 7 table when we get to 25, 25 not there, 3 times 21 is there. Full subtraction doing it 4, next number bring down 42, 7 6 are 42. So our answer become how much? N value become 30. So therefore we can write n value, that is our n value become how much? 36 is our n value. I hope you can understand this model question. Then next we go through third question. Next third question, how to solve the third question. Here also third question we want to they asking a find out solve for a variable which variable means x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equals 17 by 6 minus 5 by 2 x is our question. In this way they given the question. Left side part also numbers are there, right side part also numbers are there. Here first what we want to do is to all variable terms bring to one side. In this type of question coming time all variable term bring to one side, all constant terms send to which are the variable term. These two are variable, this also variable, they write together in a one side. So first variable is x, next variable with the symbol minus 8x by 3 is our second variable term. Next which term is our variable term? Right side number. The right side term bring to left side, transpose to take minus transpose become which number? Plus 5 by 2 x is the transpose. Equal, so variable terms completed. Then next right side which term we are going to write? All constant. Already which is a constant term? 17 by 6 is our constant term. From left side which is a constant term? Plus 7 is our constant term. Plus 7 goes to right side, transpose taking time minus 7 it will become. Plus goes to right side, it will change as a minus 7. Here see some are fractional cases, that's why here also what we want to do, take LCM. What is the LCM here? Both are prime numbers, that's why directly we can multiply. 3 2s are how much? 6. So here left side LCM becomes 6. So each fractions multiply with the LCM. So, then right side part to see there also LCM become how much? 6. Then that is 6 cross multiply with that 7. Here left side part LCM is 6. First term is x. X is multiplied with LCM 6 minus 8x by 3 is our second term. That also multiply with the 6 plus 5 by 2x is our third term. That also multiply with the LCM 6 equal then whole divided with that but don't forget, otherwise the denominator not getting it. Then right side part LCM become how much? 6 is the LCM. How to solve this one? Cross multiply. 6 is cross multiply with 7. So 17 minus 6 into 7, 6 into 7 whole divided by their denominator because how much? There also LCM is 6. Calculation 3 table 6 how many times? 2 times. 2 table 6 how many times? 3 times. X into 6 because always we write number then afterwards variable, that one remember. Coefficient first we write then afterwards variable term. So x into 6 becomes 6x minus this is our second term, this much part is our second term. 8 and 2 numbers are multiplied. 8 2s are how much? 16x is our second term. Plus third term become numbers are the 5 3s are how much? 15x whole divided with the denominator 6 equal. Here also 17 minus 7 6 are how much will getting there? 42 will come whole divided with the denominator 6. Then here right and left side is same numbers on right and left means it is we can possible to cancel that same denominators, same number denominator coming means we can cancel. Same way numerator case also same number numerator coming on left and right means we can able to cancel that. I continue here. We are the numerator part full, this part to become a fully all are x terms, that's why coefficient which are positive numbers 6 and 15 are positive numbers. 15 plus 6 comes to be how much? 21x 6 plus 15 comes to be 21x. Then which is our negative number? Minus 16x is our negative number. Right side part to become how much? One is positive, other is negative. What we want to do? Subtract and put to big number sign. Subtraction doing how much coming there? 25 is coming. So 12 minus 7 become 5. 3 minus 1 become 2. Which is bigger number? 42. So our number become minus 25 will get in the. Then these two are like terms, x carrying term. That's why subtraction do 20. Here in which way subtraction do? 21 minus 16. They are subtraction do in there. How much will get in there? 5. So we 5x is equal to right side which number? Minus 25. Our aim is to which value? Variable value. So which is a variable? X value. Or here in this way we can cancel. 5 table 5 1 time, 5 table 25 5 times. So x value become how much? Here minus is there. So that's why our x value become how much will getting a minus 5 as our x value. I hope you can understand how to get this answer. Then next we go through another question. Another model question. Here there also another model question is there. Here fourth question solve. There also solving type question. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equal 2 by 3 minus t is our next solving type question. This also how to, this is equal, this side represent left hand side, this side represent right hand side. Left side both term, how many terms are there in left side? 2 terms are there. Both 2 terms having denominator also there. That's why LCM take it. Easy way in which way this 3 cross multiply to that term and 4 cross multiply to this term. Then here also 3 cross multiply to t. LCM become there 3. That's why 3 cross multiplied with t and whole divided with LCM 3. Here also whole divided with the denominator multiply and right. 4 3s are how much? 12. That is easy. Yes, see, first term numerator part, how many terms are there? 2 numbers are, 2 terms are there. In first term, 2 numbers are. That's why we want to put a bracket. Then cross multiply. So we get write in this way 3 cross multiply with the bracket. Must we only keep in question bracket not there, but 2 numbers coming means we only keep bracket and distributive property apply and open that bracket. Distributive property under subtraction. Here subtraction is, that's why under subtraction here distributive property under addition case, so we apply there. 3t minus 2, here middle minus is there. Then this 4 cross multiply with the second term having 2 terms, 2t plus 3 whole divided with the denominator. 4 3s are how much? 12 is the denominator. Right side part how to write? 2 minus 3 cross multiply with 3 t. So 3t whole divided with what is the LCM? 3. That's why we cross multiplied with that. Then open the bracket. Distributive property apply. 3 into 3 become 19 minus 3 2s are how much? 6. Then so this bracket were opened. Again here also 4 into 2 become how much? 8t, but minus is there. That's why minus 8t. Again minus into plus become change to minus. 4 3s are how much? 12. Whole divided with LCM 12. Right side part is in which way? 2 minus 3t whole divided by 3 is our denominator part. Again like terms which are like 90 and 80. For avoiding confusion, you like terms are right together. So 90 minus 8t are like term. Which are constant term? Minus 6 minus 12 are constant terms. Whole divided with 12 equal right side part 2 minus 3t by 3. Here see they are like terms, variable term. 8, 9 minus 8 to become how much will coming there? 1t. So t minus 6, both are 6 and 12, both are negative integer. Negative, both are same sign means what we want to do? Add and put a minus sign. So 12 plus 6 comes to be how much? 18 will come in, minus 8. Same sign is minus. So minus 18 divided by 12, we can right side part have no change. Once again we write. The next procedure, here also not complete, again looking at right and left to have carrying a denominator. There also numerator part 2 terms are there. Here also numerator, right side numerator also 2 terms are there. That's why we only put a here bracket, then denominators are cross multiply. 3 denominator 3 cross multiply to the left side numerator, and left side denominator cross multiply to the right side numerator. So we are going to multiply the time 3 into t minus 18 equal right side part 12 cross multiply 12 into 2 minus 3t. Cross multiply that part where cross, again numbers are not the next. What we want to do? Distributive property apply, and open the bracket. Distributive property, how to apply? Inside bracket how many numbers are there? That all numbers are, remember, all numbers are multiplied with outside number. So 3 into t become 3t minus 18 3s are 18 into 3 because how much it will come in there? 54. So it become a 54 equal, next right side part also multiply. 12 2s are how much? 24 minus 12 3s are how much? 36t. Left side part to become 3 into t become 3t minus here 18 3s are how much? 54 is equal to right side 12 2s are how much? 24 minus 12 3s are how much? 36t. Again I continue here. There are here continue in time, remaining part to become here remaining part how to write the same process. All t terms write to one side, which are t terms here 3t, here 36 t's. They write together. So we can write 3t minus 36 goes to right left side, change it to transpose taking it plus 36t equal constant term sent to right side. Already which number is constant there? 24 is there. Then minus 54 goes to opposite side, change it to plus 54. Then calculation doing, that is the coefficients say 36 plus 3 comes to be 39t equal, here adding to how much they are adding 78. So t is equal to here when we get which table we can able to cancel here just you check it 39 into 2 become how much? 78 will come in. That's why directly 39 table use 39 into 1 become 39, 39 into 2 becomes 78. That's why t value become how much we will get? T is equal to 2 is the answer. I hope you can, this much procedure is there. Practice this type of questions. Then next question is, next question we go through another one is fifth question is, fifth question that tells about solve 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 equal 0. In this way, next question they given. How to solve this answer? Here distributive property apply and open the bracket. Why? Because numbers are in the bracket, outside numbers are there. That's why outside numbers multiplied with inside each term. 15 into y become how much? 15y minus 15 fours are how much coming there? 60 coming. Then minus 2 into y become minus 2y. The minus into each term, remember each term multiply. Minus into minus change to plus. 2 nines are how much? 80. Plus 5 into y become 5y. Plus outside 5 is multiplied with inside second number. 5, 6 are how much? 30 is coming. That is equal to 0. All like terms, which are the like y terms, write together. These are y, these 3 are y. They write together. 15yn minus 2yn plus 5y. They are y carrying terms. Then next constant terms. Which are constant terms? Here minus 60 is there, plus 18 is there, plus 30 is equal to right side which number? 0. In question they given like that. Calculation after constant term send to right side and the y value find out. That is the procedure. Here y terms coefficients taken. Which are positive numbers? 15 and 5 are positive numbers. They are positive. 15 plus 5 comes to be 20y minus 2y. Negative number is minus 2y. Here which are positive numbers? These 2 are positive numbers and these are negative. Minus 60 plus here comes to be how much? 48 will come. Equal right side. Again one more time calculation. Here 20y is there. Here minus 2. 20 minus 2 comes to be how much? 18 and a variable is y. Here 60 opposite side means what we want to do? Subtract and put a big number sign. So 10 minus 8 to become 2. 5 minus 4 become 12. Which number is bigger? 60 is bigger. Symbol of 60 is negative. That's why minus 12 is equal to 0. Next, what is our aim? Not in this way. Our aim is to find variable y value. Y value how to find? 18y keep left side a constant. Minus 12 send to 2 right side. Minus 12 goes to right side, change to plus 12. Cancellation possible, cancel. Which table is it to cancel? 6 table. 6 3s are 18 coming. 6 2s are 12 getting there. So y value become how much? Already right side 2 is there. 3 is the coefficient of y. Coefficient of y send it to right side. Where it coming? A numerator part goes to the already we learned. Numerator part goes to the opposite side, comes to be denominator. Denominator number goes to opposite side, comes to be numerator and multiplied with the right side number. Early we learned that. Here numerator goes to be denominator. That's why y value become how much? 2 by 3 is our y. I hope you can understand this type of question. One more question is there. One more question we can solve. So next question is it tells about solve 0.25. Then 4 of minus 3 equal 0.05 into 10f minus 9. In this way they given the question. How to do this sum? First we open the bracket. Distributive property apply and here also same procedure will multiply. But here we know without decimal number take and numbers take and multiply. 25 into 4 become how much? 25 4s are how much will come in there? 100 will get in there. Then here after decimal point how many digits are there? 2 numbers are there. That's why from right to left 2 places. 1 to here. Decimal after 0 means what is our answer? 1 is the answer. 1f. So 0.25 is multiplied with 4f means answer become how much will come in? 1f. 1.00. If a point after 0 means we write f. It is understood 1f. Minus here also 25 3s are how much? 75 will come in the 25 3s are 75. But here after decimal point how many digits are there? 2. Here also answer place from right to left 2 place 1 2 Then put decimal here. For avoiding confusion, whole number part to put a 0 is equal to, here also open the bracket. How to open the bracket? Inside number, outside. 5 into 10 become how much? 50. Here after decimal point, how many digits? 2 digits. From answer 50, from right to left, 2 place count. 1 and 2. Here 5 before decimal point coming. For avoiding confusion, we carry 0.5. So our answer become 0.5. F is our these two numbers multiply time will get in. These two numbers multiply time 1.00 will coming. That's why 1 only we write. Here these two numbers multiply time 5 into 10 become 50, but here after decimal point 2 places, that's why 50 change to 0.5 f minus, then again 9 5 how much 5 into 9 become 45. How then here after decimal point how many digits are there? 2 digits. That's why right in answer place counting 1 and 2. Here decimal point coming. For avoiding confusion, put before whole number part decimal point and 0. So f term here also f term bring to one side, a constant term send to opposite. Then only we can able to find a f value. So here f is there, from right side one f term is there, plus value bring to left side change to minus 0.5 f equal. Constant terms all are sent to right side. Already one constant term is the minus 0.45 is the, this minus value goes to the right side. A transpose taking the transpose of minus become plus. So it will become plus 0.75. Then calculation coefficient here one only. Here for avoiding decimal point, how to remove a decimal point after decimal point one place means we can divide with 10, that decimal point will remove it. Already we learned that. 7th class also you learned that. Then after decimal point 2 places are there, remove the decimal point means divided with which number? Divided with 100. After decimal point 3 places are there, you want to remove that decimal point means divided with which number? 1000. Here 1 place, that's why divided with 10. And variable is f. Here also one is negative number, other is positive number. That's why subtract and put big numbers. Which is bigger number? This is bigger number. So subtraction doing time, how much will coming there? Here 3 0. So 0.30. Here which is bigger? This is bigger. Positive terms. That's why positive 0.30. Then here one this f is a whole number. Then this one is a fraction. 5 by 10 is a fraction number. So LCM take. What is the LCM? That 10 is the LCM. Cross multiply. So 10 into f become 10f minus 5f whole part divided with LCM. Telling this way, that is the procedure. Right side part no change, 0.3. Next process, what we want to do? 10 send it to right side. Denominator 10 goes to right side. Where it going multiplied with the right side. Numerator part to go. Denominator goes to opposite. Transpose taking time. Denominator transpose and numerator goes to numerator and multiplication doing the. So multiply. Then here numerator part calculation coefficient 10 minus 5 become how much? 5f. Here that part to become 0.30 into 10. This part to become this denominator 10 goes to numerator and multiplied with the right side which number 0.30. Then we here writing time 5f is equal to any number multiply with decimal number multiply with 10 means what is the answer will coming there 0.30 into 10 become how much it getting there to become after decimal how much will coming 3 will come 3.00. Numbers you multiply 30 into 10 become how much it coming? 300 will come. 30 into 10 become 300. Here how many places we want? 2 places. So from right to left to 2 places means 1 and 2. Here decimal point will come. So point after 0 means leave it. Here after decimal point 2 place, we just multiply number 13 into 10 become how much? 300. Then multiplicand place decimal after 2 places are there. That's why in answer place from right to left 2 place count and put decimal point. So point here get point after 0. So we can leave that 0. So F value become how much? 3 by 5 is our F value. I hope you can understand this part. So or otherwise fractional wise write or decimal point wise write. Decimal point wise how to write? Up to there enough. Or decimal point wise suppose they ask in decimal point wise means how to write numerator number, which is a numerator, 3 is our numerator, and which is our denominator, 5 is our denominator. 5 table 3 is it possible to divide? Not possible. That's why what we want to do, not possible means put to 0, but we want to continue. How to continue? Put decimal point on the quotient place. We get permission to put 0 on the dividend place. So 3 change it to 13. 5 table 30. When it is 5, 6 are 30 is coming there. So our answer how to get in there? So decimal point wise right in time. So 5 into 6 become 30. Subtraction. So answer become how much? 0.6 is the answer. Decimal point wise right or fractional wise right. Both are correct answer. I hope you can understand how to solve this sums. Remaining one more exercise is that one next class we can discuss. Thank you.